In any relationship, fostering a strong emotional connection and mutual appreciation is crucial for building a lasting bond. While love and care form the foundation, ensuring your partner values your presence can strengthen the relationship further. Creating a healthy dynamic where she recognizes your worth isn't about manipulation but about cultivating respect, confidence, and authenticity. When a partner fears losing you, it's often because they realize how deeply you enhance their life. This guide explores actionable ways to nurture that sense of appreciation, helping her see you as irreplaceable while maintaining balance, respect, and emotional well-being in your relationship. 1. Cultivate self-respect and confidence. One of the most important aspects of making someone value your presence is by valuing yourself first. Confidence is attractive and compelling. It's about being self-assured in your decisions, actions, and personality. People are drawn to those who know their worth and don't settle for less than they deserve. When you cultivate self-respect, it sets the tone for how others treat you. Avoid behaviors that make you appear overly dependent or desperate for attention. Show her that you have your own goals, hobbies, and priorities. Confidence in your individuality will naturally make her fear losing someone as self-assured and grounded as you. 2. Build emotional security while maintaining mystery. A key to making someone cherish you is striking a balance between emotional availability and maintaining an air of intrigue. Be there for her emotionally when she needs you, listening attentively and offering support. However, avoid being too predictable or overly transparent about every aspect of your life. Keep some aspects of your personality and daily routines to yourself to keep the relationship dynamic exciting. This balance of security and mystery keeps the spark alive and creates a subtle fear of losing someone who keeps the relationship interesting. 3. Demonstrate your value through actions. Actions speak louder than words. Be the type of partner who inspires admiration through the way you live your life. Whether it's excelling in your career, being passionate about your hobbies, or treating others with kindness, your actions should reflect the kind of person who is irreplaceable. When you show her that you are dependable, ambitious, and a source of positivity in her life, she'll naturally begin to recognize your worth. This makes her consider how life would feel without you in it, creating a healthy, organic sense of fear of losing you. 4. Prioritize your goals and interests. A common mistake in relationships is becoming too consumed with the other person and neglecting your own personal growth. By pursuing your goals and interests, you remind her that you have a life beyond the relationship. This not only keeps you fulfilled but also makes you more appealing. When you prioritize your personal development, she'll see that you are someone who is constantly evolving and striving for better. This dynamic is attractive and will naturally make her want to hold on to you, fearing that she could lose someone who is always moving forward in life. 5. Maintain healthy boundaries. Setting and enforcing boundaries is essential in any relationship. Boundaries communicate self-respect and help define the expectations and limits within the relationship. For example, if you feel disrespected or undervalued, calmly but firmly address it. When you uphold your standards, you subtly remind her that you're not afraid to walk away from situations that don't serve you. This reinforces the idea that you're a valuable partner, and she'll become more mindful of how her actions affect the relationship. 6. Be unapologetically authentic. Authenticity is magnetic. Be true to yourself and don't shy away from expressing your unique qualities, quirks, and beliefs. When you embrace your authentic self, you attract people who genuinely appreciate you for who you are. A woman who sees that you are comfortable in your own skin will find you irresistible. The fear of losing someone so genuine and unique will naturally grow, as she'll realize how rare it is to find someone who isn't afraid to be themselves. 7. Communicate openly and honestly. Open and honest communication is the foundation of any strong relationship. When you express your feelings, desires, and concerns in a respectful manner, you create a safe space for both of you to connect on a deeper level. Transparency fosters trust and mutual understanding. When she knows that she can rely on you for honest communication, she'll value the relationship even more, fearing the loss of a partner who is emotionally available and truthful. Be supportive but not overbearing. Being a supportive partner means encouraging her to pursue her goals and aspirations. Celebrate her successes, provide comfort during challenging times, and be her cheerleader. However, avoid becoming overbearing or excessively involved in her life. By striking this balance, you show her that you care deeply without smothering her independence. This creates a healthy dynamic where she feels supported yet free, which strengthens her attachment to you. 9. Keep the romance alive. Romance isn't just about grand gestures. It's about the small, thoughtful actions that show you care. Surprise her with heartfelt notes, plan spontaneous dates, or remember the little details she shares with you. When you consistently show her that you value the relationship through romantic gestures, she'll be reminded of how much she cherishes having you in her life. This can naturally lead to a fear of losing someone who puts genuine effort into keeping the spark alive. 10. Be willing to walk away if necessary. While the goal is to strengthen your bond, it's important to recognize when a relationship isn't serving your best interests. Being willing to walk away from a toxic or unfulfilling relationship sends a powerful message about your self-worth. This doesn't mean threatening to leave as a manipulation tactic. Instead, it's about demonstrating that you won't settle for less than you deserve. When she sees that you value yourself enough to prioritize your happiness, it can prompt her to reassess her behavior and appreciate you even more.